story? Today I am going to narrate another story to you, and the name of the story is The Greedy Dog. Once there lived a dog in a village. One day he was feeling very hungry. He went in search of food and found a juicy bone. He was very happy and decided to go home and enjoy the bone. While going back to his home, he had to cross a bridge on the river. While crossing, the dog saw his own reflection in the river and thought it was another dog with a piece of bone in his mouth. The dog was greedy and thought to himself, "I want that bone. I want that bone." So, to grab that piece of bone, he opened his mouth and started barking at his own reflection. But the moment he opened his mouth to bark, the piece of bone fell into the river. It was only when the water splashed did the greedy dog realize that what he had seen was nothing but his own reflection and not another dog. But it was too late. The dog lost his bone and had to return home hungry. So children, did you all enjoy the story? Yes, it was a nice story. What do you learn from this story? That we should always be happy and satisfied with what we have and should never be greedy. Okay children, that's it for now. Take care.